Hello everyone, welcome back to Day in Life Diaries. Today, I'm excited to bring you the 5th episode of my Minnesota State series. In this episode, we're exploring one of the most breathtaking natural gems in Minnesota, the stunning Minnehaha Falls. From its cascading waters to the peaceful trails and rich history surrounding it, I'll be sharing beautiful views and fascinating facts that make this waterfall a must-visit destination. So stay with me till the end and experience the charm, beauty, and hidden stories of Minnehaha Falls. I sincerely apologize in advance for the video quality. There was a small mistake on my part, but I hope the beauty of the falls and the experience itself will make up for it. And before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this is the perfect time to join our journey and be part of many more adventures ahead. Minnehaha Falls is a breathtaking 53-foot waterfall nestled within Minnehaha Regional Park in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and it draws nearly 1 million visitors each year. As one of the state's most beloved natural landmarks, the falls cascade dramatically into Minnehaha Creek, which continues its journey to the mighty Mississippi River. The name Minnehaha comes from the Dakota language, meaning waterfall or curling water, highlighting the deep cultural and historical significance the site holds for the Dakota people long before it became a public park. In the 19th century, the falls gained national attention after being featured in Henry Wadsworth Longfellow's famous poem, The Song of Hiawatha, which romanticized the landscape and helped turn it into a popular tourist destination. Over the years, the surrounding park has developed into a vibrant recreational area with walking trails, limestone bluffs, picnic spots, gardens, and scenic overlooks. Visitors can enjoy the falls in every season, from the powerful rush of water in spring and summer to the magical frozen ice formations in winter. Today, Minnehaha Falls stands not only as a natural wonder, but also as a symbol of Minnesota's rich heritage, blending indigenous history, literary fame, and outdoor beauty into one unforgettable destination.
So friends, thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for our next video, and we'll see you in the next one.